Alright guys, this is my fourth video and I didn't tell you anything about me. My name is Roman, as you can assume from name on my channel. My name is Roman, I'm 22 years old. I just moved to the United States 3 years ago from Ukraine without no English. I was just like, the only English I knew at that time, it was hi, bye and Coca-Cola. This was a 3 basically, and I could count until 10 and that's it. So I think I'm doing okay for now, for this time. If you're watching my video, thank you so much. So in last video I was a little bit upset. My hands went down. I'm like, it's so hard to work without tools, without kind of stuff. But today, actually last night when I finished that video, I'm like, Roman, you gotta do it. You like it. You love this one. So just it was a little bit that upset moment. So right now I'm working in a Hyundai store. I'm the salesman. If you need a car, please. It's 221 East Lake Oak Road, Palatine, Illinois 60074. So if you need a car, ask about Roman. I'm gonna get you the great deal. So yeah, I know the guy over there. He's my really good friend. His name is Kevin. If you're watching my video, thank you. So I couldn't unscrew the fourth one bolt over there, and I kind of I don't know how it's like, the bolt is on the top, it's screwed out, so it's bad now, so I won't be able to unscrew it. So he borrowed me this box. So this is a special tools. So we got this one with 12 millimeters. What we need, this one I'm gonna show you a little bit closer. So this is kind of like as you can see, it's like a star. I don't know what is it called. So yeah, this is a special thing, special socket. So he told me we will be able to unscrew it with this thing. So let's get started and we'll see if it's gonna work. So yeah guys, in the last video we we unscrewed 3 bolts and we couldn't get a 4th one. So we are going to do it right now from here, right in that hole. Alright guys, see what's happened. It was too rusty, but at least I think we will be able to get everything up. So I'm still not able to get the thing out because I put some WD-40 in it, so I'm just gonna wait. I just wanted to show you how flexible you should be if you don't have special tools.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard.
As you can see, guys, we still didn't get the engine out. So everything's done. This side is done, that side is done, front is done. Just wires disconnect over there and the transmission. So we got that thing out. And yeah, basically transmission and yeah, an engine. Take the engine out. I'm sorry, guys, it takes time. You hear my breathing right now. I'm like, I was laying down, so cold. I'm cold. It's 7 o'clock. I need to go study because I have a college. So I'm pretty much done for today. Thank you for watching my video. Be at the channel. And yeah, we're gonna get this project done. I'm happy actually. I'm scared a little bit. I know it's gonna take time. It's gonna be hard. It's already hard. But if I started to do it, I'm gonna finish it. Anyway, anyhow, I'm gonna finish it. I promise you. I promised it to myself. This is the first thing. So this eye is gonna be famous again. Rx8. Rx8. Thank you.